Hey everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. Or good evening, good evening, good evening. It's a very peaceful Friday night. I hope everyone is okay. Kamusta ang mga taga Toronto, Canada? Good morning, good evening sa inyo. Good morning. Ang sarap dyan sa Toronto today. Tapos na ba ang Mercury, may sinasawag silang Mercury overgrade something eh. I was in Toronto 3 years ago. Retrograde, no? I was April. There was a Mercury retrograde. Sabi nila, when there is a Mercury retrograde. Guys, by the way, am I coming in very clear? Can you comment down below kung okay ako, kung malinaw? Anyways, nung nasa Toronto ako, nagkaroon ng Mercury retrograde. It was around April, no? A day before my birthday. And normally, pag Mercury retrograde, let me just adjust, nag-echo yung signal ko. Hello? Yan. Okay. So, nung Mercury retrograde, ang sabi kasi nila, it is actually a time when karamihan sa mga telecommunications or airline, airline equipment will be impacted. So, I didn't believe on anything on that, no? And apparently, I was actually praying that yung aircraft namin from Toronto to Vancouver, hindi siya maapektuhan. Okay? And during that time, ginagawa yung semento na daanan ng eroplano papalipad, no? And majority of the people were already waiting sa lobby sa Toronto, no, going to the gate, no? And alam nyo guys, sobrang blessing in disguise kasi may mga sumisigaw na nagrereklamo na blah blah blah. Pero karaniwan sa so, kailangan mong gawin during that time na talaga nagkakagulo na you need to remain calm, you need to remain very focused, no? Alam mo ba, nakiusap kami na kung sana kami, kung may mag-offload, kasi may mga in-offload sila dun sa papaalis na flight, no? Na to Toronto din, nag-offload sila ng dalawa lang. Tapos dalawa kami ng kasama ko nakasakay, no? Tapos yung dalawang in-offload nila na bata kasi going to Iceland yung dalawa going to Vancouver to Iceland, in-offload nila, bigyan na nila ng VIP ticket, di ba? So, I mean, that would have been a very worst birthday for me kasi I should have my birthday at home, no? And apparently, buti nga talagang prayers, BP, kasi naninigaw ng iba ng customer service. Parang sa amin lang nakakita ng very, very calm na tao na nakiusap talaga. So, at the end of the story, nakauwi tayo. Memorable sa akin ng Toronto. Ayan, so anyways, good evening to everyone. Let me just do some quick greetings, no? Since gabi naman at sabi kanina ng 5 o'clock mga audience ko, mas alive daw ang 10 o'clock crowd. Totoo ba yon? Tingnan natin kung alive talaga ang 10 o'clock crowd. So hello. Hey, mga common names, Michael. Guys, don't forget to click like, no? Click the like button and smash the like button in this YouTube live. And of course, wag muna tayo mag-skip ng ads, no? All right, Michael, watching from Taiwan. Second night na manood ng live. Thank you. Magandang gabi there. Miguel Berto, wow, may mga team double live So present kaninang 5 o'clock, present pa din ngayon. Wow. Mel Francis, hello sir. Francis, good evening coach. Miranda, present sa inyong WWE. Ano yung WWE squad? All right. Okay. Kay Faith Ayena. Hey, June. Hello. Okay, just quickly greeting a lot of you guys, no? So, RJ1, Ventilador Gaming. Ganda naman ang name mo. Hey, moderator Galamax. Woohoo! Congratulations, ha? We already blessed you with a name and you were given a moderator title dahil sa YouTube live. All right, shout out sa mga Galamax squad dyan. Say hello. Anyways, all right, guys, let's officially start our our news for the day. No, let's start with a review of the coins. No, so Bitcoin already up at $41,000 USD. Kanina when we were reviewing at 5 o'clock, it was only 40 plus thousand. Ethereum up at 2749. Binance Coin up actually down at 386. Cardano 1.71 at negative 10.83 month to date. XRP up at 1.15. Kanina 1.09 ito. Dogecoin still steady at 0.35 to 0.45 range. It's actually 0.39 right now. Polkadot 28.31, ICP 171.17, Bitcoin Cash 811.97. Let's quickly go on some of the other news. There is actually uh, a lot of airdrop events no, na pwedeng na actually naka-schedule. If you don't know what an airdrop is basically giving away free coins. No? You just need to give your wallet and register. You need to do to participate in the airdrop. So click no lang tong airdrop exclusive event. We're trying to open it right now and see if it's gonna be something that you can take advantage of. No, marami lang silang kailangan gawin. Like you need to give your BSC wallet. No, you need to give a couple of information to them. No, so let's just try to open one here real quick para makita ninyo how to be able to take advantage on some of those airdrops. Anyways, yeah, so just give your BSC wallet and then just try. May mga conditions sila na like our just click on the coin, just like our page, ganyan mga conditions nila yan, no, for you to participate. So for example, ito yung fluffy na yan, no. So Fluty, if you wanted to join the airdrop and be able to be given 50 FLTY, about $20 value, just click the button airdrop and then just do yung mga ganyang information, like what we tried to do kanina before tayo mag-live. Yeah, for example, add Fluty to your watch list, join their Telegram, followed Fluty Finance in their Twitter account, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, so just do that, put your blockchain, BSC Smart Chain wallet address, and put everything in, and just click OK, and then just join their airdrop. A couple of things na wala namang mawawala sa inyo, right? But parang free yan, free raffle for them. And marami pa yan. So just be able to join it. For example, there's gonna be some airdrop na ibibigay sa ibang tokens and other coins. So for example, Fluty, there's Cora Finance, Bird Finance. So wala kang ginagawa, just go to all of this. Go to all of this and be able to join and participate there. Their ongoing airdrop. So more of that, no? More of that, all right? As what I've said earlier during our 5 o'clock live, sa mga naka-attend na, it may sound like a bit of a repeat for you, but this is an important news na kailangan nilang malaman bilang headline, no? So, the very first one is the Coinbase in talks with an asset manager, Osprey funds, from a merger and acquisition standpoint. Coinbase in talks to buy asset manager. This is a good one because Osprey Funds is a digital asset fund. No? So traditional world, for example, Melvin Capital, yung mga ganyan, so most of them are actually into the stock market world. No? But this one, asset manager Osprey Funds, they're actually focused on digital coins. So if you go to their page, you will notice that one of their major product is Bitcoin and Polkadot, no? But Bitcoin and Polkadot, yan, their fund data and their market prices here. So annual asset under management 113 million, 113. I think this is 113 million asset under management nila. Bitcoin per share, you have everything there. So they actually have Bitcoin. Then they also have Polkadot, no? So they have Polkadot. Osprey Polkadot Trust, no? They're actually waiving 2.5% management fee until at least January 1. So maganda yan, walang management fee. It's actually open for investors, no? So for example, for you to qualify, you need to earn more than $200,000 a year, or $300,000 a year with spouse or something to ano. And then you will obviously see some of their performance or fund data here, right? Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the other news. As I've said, in CoinDesk, still market volatility is one of the headlines. No, market volatility, and then you also have another headline that I'd like to discuss. Meron tayong video on this. No, this particular headline. Ginawa natin to ng video. I hope you've seen it already. If not, please go to my channel, YouTube channel, and look at this video. No, maganda to. Medyo negative yung title ng news, but to be honest with you, this is actually a very good news. Kumbaga parang vote of confidence na binigay ng US Treasury because they wanted to do they wanted to do a lot of regulations. And for me kasi, and if you're from the United States or you're from North America, you know, you call those particular information as events, no? By the way, thank you to John Mark Penamora. Maraming salamat sa iyong super chat. Maraming salamat. And thank you and welcome to the group. All right. And as I was saying, no, so every time that there is actually an event na nangyayari, everything gets taxed, right? And if it gets taxed, the US Treasury is actually getting something. And you know, from cryptocurrency, that's actually a very good means for getting more money from the government, right? So just look into this video and looking forward to, looking forward for, you guys learning from one of my videos. So thank you very much. All right, another one. Beijing's crypto crackdown is not new, but don't dismiss it. So as I've said in my past video, no, so we have seen that this is not the first time that China is actually doing a cryptocurrency banning, no? So we have in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, they banned Ethereum, and now 2021, they're actually banning crypto currency again. So this is not new, right? But sabi ng article na to, do not dismiss it, no? So as per this article, sabi dito, China's crypto warning on Tuesday may look similar to the previous notices. However, it conveys a pointed message to commercial banks and payment companies that have been friendly to crypto-related businesses. So I do think that the ban is actually focused on the banks, but it's not necessarily focused on those retailers, no? So, but we'll see, right? Let's see. This is one of those negative catalysts again, and this is one of those that we've mentioned as one of those three FUD drivers, such as number one, we have our Elon Musk and Tesla FUD. You have your Binance FUD, wherein they receive some negative press on some of those regulators chasing them, no? And then number three, obviously the OCC FUD, or the Office of the Currency Controlled FUD. And then this one na naman, no? So ang daming sabay-sabay na pumapasok na FUD drivers, but look at what's happening. Our coin is still actually trying its best and fighting over the FUDs, no? Despite it's actually hovering at around almost 20% negative, almost para-parehas sila, Pero tingnan naman ninyo, si Cardano lumalaban 10.68% negative lang, and all the rest are still above the 30s level, and then XRP at below 20%, and the rest are actually on the same range, no? And then let's look into our, Cointelegraph news for today. Okay, almost still the same, no? Not much of an information here. Bitcoin still, Bitcoin bull market is still halfway. As of what I've said, guys, no? Bitcoin, this particular performance of the Bitcoin, if you're an investor, wait for this to consolidate up until maybe tomorrow. I will explain later on why do I keep on saying keep on waiting, no? So more to come on that. And then let's go with the calendars, no? So from a calendars perspective, all of these are some things that diniscuss ko na sa aking mga videos, like Consensus 2021, Alonzo testnet for ADA. This is a big one, guys. I'm expecting this is going to be a positive catalyst driver. Catalyst driver sa ating performance ng ADA coin natin, because there's also an ADA Pay release. There's actually marked as hot update. So ADA Pay release is going to be May 31. This is something that can potentially drive ADA coin to go further higher. So when this is released, normally they release some PR, news releases. So most likely May 31, ADA will pick up its price, no? So, but we'll see. I hope this one generates a lot of good media releases, no? All right, and then as I've said, news for Ethereum. What's the news for Ethereum? The 27-year-old guy behind Ethereum, I'm sure you know his name. Starts with the letter V, no? Is not surprised on the crypto crash. This was actually a headline yesterday. And sabi niya dito, this 27-year-old co-creator of Ethereum told CNN Business in an executive interview that he believed that cryptocurrencies are in a bubble. No, he stressed, however, that notoriously hard to predict when bubbles will pop. No, it could have ended already. He said it could have probably end months from now, but sabi niya, he's actually not necessarily surprised on the drop of this particular coin. And then sabi niya, he's actually expecting the price of this coin to be within only $4,000 by 2025. Kahit sinabi niya pa rin yun kahit na sabi niya dito na, kahit yung price ng coin na inimbento niya was actually way back 4,384. No? This was 4,384 on May 11. Diba? So May 11, there's actually this particular all-time high performance, but even that has happened. Sabi pa rin niya, I don't think it's gonna be at 4,000 by 2020. I think it's gonna be only 4,000 by 2025. No? And sinabi pa rin niya yon kahit na yung, you know what, when it was an all-time high, he was actually worth 1.1 billion. No? But when Ethereum went down to almost as low as $1,900, no? When Ethereum went down, his net worth went lower to 870 million. He used to be $1.1 billion before, diba? And sabi niya dito, Elon is not going to have this influence forever. Wow, parang may paghugot, diba? No, actually, baliktad sila ni Elon. Elon is very hype and aggressive and sometimes even trolling. Nakita niyo naalala niyo yung one of my live videos where he was actually trolling Michael Saylor. Ginawa niya yung Sailor Moon na meme, diba? So, they're two different animals, so to speak. No, and this one is actually a bit conservative. No, Vitalik is a bit conservative, and sabi niya dito, the nosedive may have been caused. Sabi dito, the nosedive may have caused Buterin, a Russian-Canadian programmer who dropped out of college, his newfound status as a crypto billionaire. And as what I've said, yung status niya was only a couple of days only because the price of Ethereum went down significantly. Okay, so let's go to the other news. Let's go for the news of Doge. Shout out to the Doge lovers. Pa-comment down below if you're a Doge lover. Woohoo! Shout out sa inyo. All right, let's go with Dogecoin. Dogecoin jumps after series of Elon Musk tweets. Fans more wild cryptocurrency trading. This was actually just a couple of hours ago. Dogecoin, si Kuya Elon. I think nasa chat room din si Elon. Magparamdam ka nga, Elon, sa chat room. Diba? So si Elon, sabi niya, si Kuya Elon parang hindi siya nagpapatalo talaga, nagpapatalo sa yung most recent tweet niya. Diba? Nung May 20, Cyber Viking, right? How much is that Doge in the window, no? Sabi niya dito, the price of Dogecoin spiked on Thursday after Tesla CEO Elon Musk mentioned the coin on Twitter, adding another chapter to the volatile history of the cryptocurrency that started as a joke. The price of the digital coin was more than 11% to about 40 cents in midday trading hours after first Musk tweet. So make sure you add him, you put him as you create your Twitter handle, guys, and put Elon as part of your notification. Hit the bell button so you're also updated with his tweets, no? So like what I also did, no? So this guy could further really influence Dogecoin's performance. So we'll see, no? Sabi dito, Thursday move comes after a wild day for cryptocurrency, and when we saw Bitcoin and Dogecoins all plunged sharply before clawing back a chunk of those losses later Wednesday. So really, really interesting. I think he would not give up that coin easily, and I'm going to be expecting this guy to keep on tweeting about Dogecoin because he's heavily invested. All right. Our last news for today. Let's talk about XRP. Another headline. XRP headline reads: Judge allows SEC to seek information on Ripple's overseas XRP transactions. It looks like more of a negative catalyst for XRP, but we will see. We will see if it's gonna be something that would further, cause a nosedive for the coin. But it looks like this coin is fighting heavily. Hindi pa tapos, kumbaga, on a 10 round match. We're actually still on a round 5 because this coin has been heavily beaten. If you guys would remember, around March or April of this year, the price of this coin is only at 0.25, up to 0.5, up to 0.7, and then when they won the case, actually, there's only a good PR release or news release about the case, hindi pa sila fully close yung case, no? Then the price of this coin went meteoric rise to 1.3, 1.2. No, and I think if I remember correctly, most recently all-time high of 1.77. No, so it looks like it's a negative catalyst, but we'll see if this will be if there's going to be another press release to counter this information about XRP, and then everyone is actually looking into this, no, because if XRP wins this case, it's going to be a good white paper for all the other cryptocurrencies in the world to learn from the experience of this particular coin. No? So, anyways, guys, more to come on this. More to come on this information. Hihigop lang tayo ng kape. If you are actually listening to me tonight, I hope you're actually enjoying your coffee. If not, just join me up until the next couple of minutes. Okay? So, kape-kape muna tayo. So, going back to XRP, no, so we'll see about this coin, and hoping that this one recovers. I'm sure you probably know already kung ano ang aking favorite coin by the way I speak. All right, so we'll see, no. All right, so that's actually our list of news for today, no. We have actually gone through almost everything. And now let's quickly go on our charting here, no. Let's go with our top 5 charting signals. Let's go on a 1 hour planning for now, or 1 hour chart to find our major support and resistance. Ayan, so as what I've said, no, it's still a very volatile performance of this coin. So it was actually on an all-time high of almost 1. I'll start with ADA, no? So almost a 1.012 for ADA, and then it went on a significant high, actually forming a higher low candle at 1.94, and still it's actually sideways now. In this particular candle, it was actually down again at 1.59, and now the candle is hoping to close at 1.65 price point on Cardano ADA. As I always say, I don't think it's something that you could enter right now unless otherwise you're into risk, no. Simply because I feel that this one still needs to build and further consolidate, no. So look at this performance. So when we try to create a rectangle here, only up until this one, no. Except natin yung volatility na yan, no. Huwag natin isama yan. Look at this, no. It's actually already going to break the negative 0.5, sorry, the 0.5 line of the box, no. So if this further goes down of this box, most likely it will retest the support line of 1.31, 1.32. Let's see if this will retest the 1.32 line. And if it does, then if it actually bounces back, no, then this one could potentially become a very strong support for this particular coin. Let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Okay, as almost the same thing yan, no? Medyo mas marami lang candles, no? So, it looks like there's a lot of reds, no? But if you wanted to do some day trading here, it's important that you make sure that you always put your stop losses, right? Because if you would notice when we drop our chart here, from May 21 of 12:45 in the afternoon Manila time, okay, up until the May 21 of 4:45, in a matter of 4 hours only, the performance of the coin dropped 13.7%, no, in a span of just 3 hours and 45 minutes. This coin can drop as big as 13.7. If you're not ready to get that dip, no, just don't enter this coin yet. Let it consolidate and find many support lines, no. When you further zoom into the chart, what you will see is that it's actually forming a mini short support lines here, no? I hope this one does not break it. But this one is the resistance line. Kailangan i-break niya yan pataas, no? And then from a support line standpoint, it's actually trying to bounce on this particular support line. So pag papasok kayo, kailangan hindi niya basagin itong candle na to, no? Huwag niyang basagin yan. Pag nabasag niyan, it could further go down. And then potentially, if you wanted to enter the breakouts on this line. Short term, no? Short term. But as I've said, if you're actually on a swing trade, wag muna kayong pumasok. Swing trading meaning you're actually waiting for weeks, no? To find the right entry. Wait for this to consolidate. If this retests the 1.37 and goes up again, then this could be a potential good support already. Buy at the 1.31 bounce, no, of the support, right? Let's go to BTC. BTC is reading at 38 right now. On a 15-minute chart, bigla nag-fluctuate bigla. Kanina when we were just reading, it was actually sitting at 41K. Ang lalim ng candle na to, this probably have liquidated a lot of people. Look at this candle, oh. And this is what I'm saying, guys, right? This is what I'm saying, no? If you're not ready on this liquidation, don't play futures yet, right? Ang laki, oh, on a 15-minute candle, look at this candle, boom. Diba? If you probably go on a lower candle, look at that, tatlong knives, falling knives, no? Sunod-sunod, ang pangit. So I think it's trying to test the support line na sinabi natin, and we'll try to chart that. So it's actually it bounced again on the same support, no? So it bounced on the support of 38,127, and it bounced again here on this support. Pangalawang bounce niya na yan pataas. We'll see if this candle will end at 38 pataas, but it's still actually live as we speak right now, no? Dalawang beses nag-bounce. We'll see if this one bounce again, maybe 2 more times, it becomes a strong support already, and you could probably even use that as an entry. Abang kayo ng 38,000 something on your entry point, no? On this particular coin, no? But as I've said, this is really volatile situations, guys. If you're not ready to see a very huge drop, no? Tulad niyan, so we'll do another price range comparison from here to there. This is actually a 9.18% drop on your coin, no? So kung meron kang 10,000 pesos, ang pera na lang ng coin mo ngayon, if this would have been the actual price of the candle today, would have only been 9,100 pesos, no? But right now, it's actually trying to fight its way up. It's only down at negative 5.29% from the way it there were exchanging of hands during this candle. So we'll see, no? We'll see if this one is going to hold its weight. And then let's go with Ethereum, no? Ethereum. And by the way, guys, I'm not sure if you've seen my post. I've received already my Ethereum coin. So I have Ethereum coin now. I have Dogecoin. I have BTC coin. I have XRP coin. I'm just waiting for 2 more coins to arrive. I also ordered of course, our one and only ADA, ADA coin, right? And we wanted to also order BNB. So we'll see if those two will come very soon. But if you wanted to get that coin, please go to my Facebook page and see what's my instruction there. It's very easy, guys. And whoever gets the most number of likes and shares will get that coin for free. I'm also actually raffling the top 2 most engaged posts na maraming likes and shares will also get $30 30 USDT. That you could actually use. I'll transfer it to your Binance account as a way of saying thank you. Of course, a way of saying thank you. And, make sure that your post is more of learning, what did you learn about our system, and let the others benefit from it as well, no? Anyways, the same thing for Ethereum. Ang laki ng binaba na to. Look at that, no? Look at that. Scary. 2450. So, let us quickly look into the ongoing liquidations right now. Let me just open this particular file. Hang on, guys. I feel marami na naman na liquidate kanina. Ang bilis nag-fluctuate ng coins, eh. Okay. And if we do a 1-minute candle, okay, if you do a look at, guys, look at this 1 minute candle to, ha. This is 1 minute, no? So if you look into this drop, right? So if you look into this drop, price range, no, from this one to this one, no, almost 11.15%. Itong isang candle na red na to, this one, this candle alone in a minute cost a 3.51% drop on the price. No? 3.51, that could have liquidated already a lot of people. Diba? So put your stop losses, and as I've said, don't play futures if you're not trained. In a very, very volatile market, and I hope you listen to what Coach Miranda is saying. I hope you're listening. It's still up to you. It's your money. It's up to you. But yan, tulad niyan, if you go on a 1 minute chart, let's quickly go with our templates. Ipasok natin si Almachi for 1 minute. Let's make sure na ang candle natin is naka-close. Ayan, risky. Pwedeng pumasok, nag-crossover sa ilalim. Pero ang problema dito is galing siya sa taas. But the good news is there's a red candle sa baba. Mas mababa tong red candle na to kaysa sa green candle na to. The two confirming candles, no? So, pwedeng pumasok, right? This is 1 minute and 2 minutes. But if you're really going to be asking me, will I use Halmachi on this level? I don't think so. Okay, I don't think so, no? I will not use Halmachi if I see that the candle looks like this. It's very volatile. It's very, very volatile, guys. Right? Imagine mo, no? Imagine mo pumasok ka dito sa part na to. Diba? And then look at that, biglang boom. Lumalim, diba? So it's an effective strategy, but if it's a very volatile environment, no? If you're a beginner, wag muna. Wag muna, ingat muna. Look for other coins to do futures and scalping. Okay? Yeah, look into that, no? As I've said, no, it's going to form a red candle because pababa yung Emma and Emma and Alma, right? Just look for the candle. Look for a candle na galing sa ilalim, and the line is actually from the ilalim to make it really more strong as an evidence, or as a case, no? All right, let's go to XRP. It's gonna be almost the same, guys. To be honest, because all of them, most of them are paired with Bitcoin, no? So yeah, XRP looks almost the same. But when we look into the 30 minutes candle, magplot muna tayo ng major resistance and support lines. And later on, we will read some of your comments and Q&As, no? So let's go with XRP. 30 minutes, medyo, let me try to remove some of these EMAs. Medyo may it's actually building forming a sideways movement already. We'll see if this will continue. And then it's actually forming a sort of a consolidation. Actually, the support, the resistance line is on a 1.28. No, immediate resistance yan, 1.28 level, and then immediate support line is at 0.89. This was actually May 20, alauna ng umaga. And then this is around May 19, no, 2:30 ng afternoon. 5:30 ng afternoon, no, one of the resistance. So, if this candle hits the 0.89 and retests and moves back up, nag-correct, tumaas, then that's the second hit, no? That's the second hit of this bounce, no? And then I would rather you wait third and fourth bounce sa support line na to for this support line to be strong enough. 0.89 is one of the lowest price that we've ever seen, actually. In fact, bumaba pa ng 0.85, no? But in most recent support lines, 0.89, we'll see if this one will retest that and see if it will bounce from that particular support line. Same performance with the other coins. Ang laki ang haba ng candle na to. It's really red, no? And if you go down to the 15 minutes chart, it's also the same. It will give you the same look and same feel of the chart, no? But I really want you guys to make sure that you don't play futures kung hindi pa kayo trained to play on futures over the next couple of days, no? Sobrang laki, no? Let me try to open if let me see if that already opened na, no? So we'll try to do open the Ethereum coin analyzer. Kamusta naman kayo guys ngayong gabi? I hope you're learning something and you're making my channel as your 10 o'clock habit. Sana wala nang naghampasan ng tabo. Sana wala muna, okay? Peace muna tayo. Thanks God it's Friday. And ano ba mga plano nyo this weekend, no? Are you guys going, staying at home? And I know if you're in the Philippines, are you just gonna be staying at home and enjoying the month, no? Guys, less than 1 year, election na. We'll see, no? We'll see what's gonna be happening in the Philippines, no? In less than 1 year. Right? So, and let's try to open, let's try to open Bitcoin real quick. Hang on a second. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's because I have a lot of information pulled up already. So let's go back there, let's go back there and same thing for XRP, US dollar, Tether. Let's wait if this bounces at 0.89. If it does, wait for another bounce and then wait for another bounce and that becomes a very strong support. I think for me, 4 bounces on that same line is a strong support already. Right? And don't enter pag di ka sanay makakita ng mga 9% drop in 15 minutes. So, ang laki, no? Pag nasa stock market ka, remember guys, 2 days ago, yung performance ng mga coin, negative 39%, negative 38%, lahat ganon, di ba? Nasa stock market ka, FUD to the 10 level na yun. Kasi ang stock market, guys, pag hindi nyo alam sa Philippine stock market, meron tinatawag na ceiling play and flooring play, no? May limit na binigay ang Philippine Stock Exchange na dapat, I think most recently 25% lang ang ceiling. May mga times na 50% ng price, no? Hanggang doon lang ang ceiling niya. You could not go above that. So ceiling play siya. Pag flooring, 50% din, no? Diba? So yan, within 1 hour, we'll see 1 hour, we'll see this coin, no? Ayan, no? Sakit. Sakit, diba? Ito niyo yan, yung coin na yan. Look at that, oh. This is May 19. Let's try to read. Let's try to do 24 hours. Ayan, guys. 24 hours yan. Ito, kanina lang yan, oh. Ayan. Grabe, no? $40 million got liquidated. No, on this 1 hour alone. Right? This is for Bitcoin. This is only Bitcoin, guys. Okay? This is only Bitcoin, and if you're not trained, don't do futures, right? Especially during this volatile situation. Okay, and then I think very very strong argument for everyone. 40.56 million. The other candle is 14.07 million. No, just liquidated on BTC alone, right? So something for you guys to be aware of. And then let's quickly go on Doge. Doge, diba? All right. As I've said, it's actually forming a strong support resistance at 0.41. But get to see this, no? See this, diba? Nag-drop nabasag niya tong 0.36 line na to. So if it already broke that support, then actually the next support that I was actually thinking is going to be 0.34, no? But binasag pa rin niya yan. Biglang nag-fluctuate yung currency. Wag lang sana tumuloy-tuloy pababa. If this one further goes down, most likely it would stabilize. The next very strong support is already at 0.29. No? Sorry, when I say strong support, that's what I mean by that is the most recent deepest support price, which is 0.29. No? We'll see 0.29596, right? If you look at a couple of indicators, let's put a MACD here. And then let's put an RSI here. Yeah, it's actually 115 minutes. Let's do a 1 hour chart. Let's do an RSI 13 chart, 30 chart. Yep, it's actually forming a bearish crossover already, and then RSI actually pointing downwards. RSI is reading at 41 on an RSI 30 length, and then quickly doing a sideways here, 1 hour chart, and then let's quickly go and do a Bollinger Band to see if it's bullish already. I don't think it's bullish at this point. Bollinger Band. Okay, let's do indicators. In 20, let's do a BB50 combination. And it actually already went lower than the BB50 line. So wait for this candle to finish. Don't enter yet. Wait for an hour. Relax lang kayo. Relax, sit back, and just listen to our live today. Wag muna kayo mag-trade. Look at this candle, no? This one could further go downwards. Pangit ng candle. Sobrang pangit. Okay? Let's further wait, no, and don't enter yet. All right, I think we're able to cover everything. XRP, ADA, BTC, Ethereum, no. So let's go with your questions, guys. If there's any other questions here, let's quickly go ahead. Let me read some of the comments. Coach, BTC nag-alboruto na naman. Yes, I always say it's still a volatile environment, di ba? All right. Eric Robles, makakahabol ata ako sa Sunday pambili. Wow. Ano ba? Salary day ba sa Sunday? Yan natin. But yeah, good luck, no? Good luck, Eric. Ace Forte, Coach, pwede bang CCI going down crossover? Yes, pwede siyang gamitin 100%, Ace. Sabayan mo lang ng EMA crossing down pababa ng ALMA. All right. Well, Choi TV, vet din po, Coach. Baka pwede na. Okay, let's do vet. Gagawin ko ng video tong vet na to. Ang dami nagre-request. Gusto nyo bang gawin ko ng video si vet, guys? Gusto nyo ba? We'll go with VChain. Almost the same performance on a 15-minute chart, no? I will wait for this to break out the BB50 line before you even enter. Almost the same performance. Let me try to look at the 1 hour chart. Tanggalin ko muna tong mga indicators natin. Okay, trend line. Parang maraming lovers si VChain na. Yan. Kailangan niyang basagin yung resistance line na yan. And then, may malalim na pag hinuhugutan tong si si Vet, oh. Malalim yung pagkahugot niya, eh. Forming this beak again. We'll see, no? We'll see. Dalawa lang ibig sabihin yan. Pag binasag niya tong line na to, pababa, it will further go down. No? Pero pag binasag niya yung line na yan pataas, 0.13, 0.13, 0.014, 0.13355, pwedeng tumaas pa yan going further upwards. No? Yan. Pag binasag niya yung pataas, or pag binasag niya to pababa, pa yan. Abangan niyo yung line na yan. That's gonna be your support and resistance line. Pag short term, no? But of course, pag you go on at least a 1 hour view, may pagka downwards to. And if you look into this one, let's look at the trend line. Ayan. So after ng unang resistance line na to, palakihin ko lang to konti. Yan. Okay, after this first resistance of 0.13, the next resistance to break should be 0.15923 around this line, no? So another resistance to break yan. Sorry, let me just adjust my that's going to be the next one to break. Let's see if this one breaks that, no? And that's going to be where you could enter. That's going to be our potential price prediction based on this immediate resistance line, no? Huwag naman sarang basagin tong line sa ilalim. If it does, well, that could further go down. Okay? All right. Okay, Jasper VeChain. Is this the fall before BTC winter? Sir, TRX po. Okay, let's put TRX. Okay, magkakamukha sila, no? So TRX will see trend line. Kailangan niyang basagin yung resistance line na yan. And then we have another resistance line here. Support line, I'm sorry. Okay, kailangan niyang basagin yung support line na yan. Ayan. Okay, paliitin natin para makita ninyo. Okay. And then, medyo may pagka-sideways tong chart na to, no? Sideways in this part, but it really went down already. So, your immediate resistance line will be this one. Pag na-break niya yan, and then support line is gonna be this one. Pag bumaba pa yun, tutuloy-tuloy yan bumaba. And then, in a shorter time frame, let's go to 15 minutes. Hindi na ako gagawa ng mga indicators, kayo na lang, guys, ha? So, alam niyo na gumawa ng indicators dyan. Kailangan niyang basagin tong resistance lines na to. Actually, medyo strong tong resistance line na to. Ang dami nang nauntog dito. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Kailangan niyang basagin yan. No? Abang-abang sa ganyang resistance. No? And then, wag lang sana bumaba sa part na to. Right? Dalawang support na nauntog na dyan. If it doesn't, it could further go down. This one. Okay? It could further go down. Okay? Alright? Seryoso daw ako today. Tatlo lang po yung screen sa harapan ko, kaya I'm trying to read your questions, trying to chart, trying to do some technical. Saya nyo pag mga 50,000 subscribers sa tayo, meron akong alalay sa tabi ko dito. Meron gusto mag-apply na kasama ko dito nag-manage ng technicals. Alright. Hey, Judex, thank you for watching. Kamusta dyan? Kamusta? How's your morning so far? How's your morning? Okay, na-miss ko yung barbecue last night. Sarap nun. Sarap. Okay. BNB coach. Wow, all capital si Sean TV. Okay. Alright. BNB. Let's do BNB. Okay. 15 minutes, tatlong candle. Wow, red. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong resistance line na nag-bounce dyan. We'll see, no? Kailangan niya i-break yan. Okay, let's go with negative trend line. Medyo magulo tong BNB na to, ha. Basag niya, oh. Basag, eh. Basag, oh. Tapos tumuloy-tuloy pa baba. Sorry. Tumuloy-tuloy pa baba, no? And then, still very volatile, to be honest. If you go on a 1-hour chart, ganun pa din, eh. And then if you do the 1-hour charting, 1 hour. Let's do another resistance here. No? Yan. And wag na siyang bumasag ng mga support lines na to. It could further go down. And then this was a major resistance line. We'll see if this will further break out. No? Yan ang resistance line. Pag nabasag yan, tuloy-tuloy yan pataas. Lagyan nyo lang ng MACD. Kailangan nyo ng MACD and RSI. I think the indicators will tell us na medyo bearish tong si BNB, no? But is it gonna be long term? I still think it's long term, guys. Binance is the current, sorry, BNB is the currency of Binance, no? So if you're gonna be asking me if this is an investable coin, definitely yes. Will I enter now? I could recommend you enter now, but you visit the coin not tomorrow, but you need to have a long-term risk appetite mga around 6 months from now, right? Okay? Alright, okay na ba, Sean? Comment ka naman kung okay ka na. Alright, taga-timpla ng kape, hiring ka, Coach Gonzales. Let's go, let's do that. Myla Isidro, alalay lang kay Coach. Yes, ang gulo ng market today. Kaya nasabi ko, very volatile ang market, di ba? Very, very volatile. So, ingat-ingat muna. Huwag munang pasok ng pasok, no? Sa spot market, ganun din ang volatility. Sobrang volatile. No? Yan, ang haba kasi. Nag-fluctuate, maraming nagpanic, no? Maraming nagpanic. BTC fluctuated, so people are really panicking. Got liquid, $49 million got liquidated. So, it's really a panicking, no? And then gumawa ako ng simple illustration dyan kanina. Sana nabasa nyo, no? Ang romanticizing DOGE in 36 hours, no? If you freak out and you sell, that's already a loss for you. No? But if you freak out, if you don't freak out, no? And tulad niyan, punta tayo sa 15 minutes, no? Example lang natin to ng mabilis, no? DOGE. Ayan. No? So na rin, nakabili ka sa 0.31. Di ba? Tapos, tumaas ng tumaas. Diba? Tapos, bumaba ng 0.33. Since nakabili ka sa 0.31, will you add more sa 0.33? Mag-worry ka ba? Diba? Meron namang nakabili dyan. Tanggalin natin tong si RSI. Meron nakabili dyan at 0.42. And that's fine. No? May nakabili ng 0.42. Diba? Tapos, bumaba ng 0.30. Nagpanic. Nagbenta. Panic, diba? Eh, tumaas ulit ng 0.43. Bumili ulit doon. Bumili siya ulit doon. Akala niya, sorry, bumili pala siya sa 0.40, no? Yan. Akala kasi pataas ng pataas eh. Galing sa 0.29 eh. Pataas ng pataas, di ba? Tapos, bumaba na naman siya sa 0.30. Yan, bumaba na naman sa pinaka 0.33. Nagbenta na naman siya dyan, no? Ano nangyayari? Di ba? Ano nangyayari? You're actually selling on your losses. Di ba? And that only has happened. Nangyari lang yun in how many minutes, di ba? Gano lang katagal, gano lang katagal yung ganyang laro, right? This is only 1 day and 13 hours. Ganyan siya ka-volatile, di ba? Right? So, romanticizing your coin, if you don't know how to manage your risk and masyado kang emotional, then most likely you're gonna be affected by selling on your losses. Di ba? Alright. Okay, let's read some of the comments. DOGE, si Mark Anthony nakabay sa 0.7. Ako, long-term hodler ka niyan. Coach, kahit taga-timpla na lang ng kape. Okay, go na. Punta tayo dito. Nasa Pasig lang ako. Ang hirap ka-jamming ni Bitcoin, sabi ni Fred. Yan. Ka-jamming ka muna kay Coach. Coach, would you say, sabi ni Sari, would you say na now is the time for long-term hodlers? Yes. Yes. If you hear me, I was buying already, no? Couple of days already, no? I'm actually, kaya ang hirap magpasok ng pera ngayon sa credit card and sa P2P. Nag-error sila for the past 2 days. People are actually putting money to buy on bargain, no? But of course, wag niyo akong gayahin. It's up to you, no? It's up to your planning. Nasa plano mo kasi yan, eh. And speaking of, guys, share ko lang sa inyo to, no? Share ko to kanina. Mabilis lang, no? Meron kasi sa inyo or sa atin na hindi talaga pang cryptocurrency trading, no? And we believe me or not, no? Wala pa kasing na-imbento and maybe there's something pakita niyo sa akin. Wala pa kasing na-imbentong questionnaire, personality assessment ng isang crypto trader, no? So I actually created this. Ilalabas ko tong video na to tomorrow. It's a Saturday special video on how to use this questionnaire. Okay? So gumawa ako ng questionnaire, 10 question to. Okay? 10 question ito. Tapos, very simple, very life story yung question. For example, magkano ba life savings mo ngayon? Diba? And ikaw lang makakasagot niya, hindi naman ako, diba? Gaano kataas ang savings mo na pwede mong ilagay sa crypto trading? Kailan mo gustong kunin ng profit? Bukas ba? Second month? 6 months or of this year? Beyond 2 years? Yan ang mga tanong ko. No? Another question ko is, ano ba ang objective mo sa crypto trading? Do you want just to maintain your funds? Kumita ka ng 1 to 5%? O gusto mo magkaroon ng long-term savings, no? Another question nilagay ko dyan, no? Kung ang wallet mo is bumagsak ng 15%, di ba? If your wallet drops, no? Um, uh, if your wallet drops, right? What's gonna be your next approach, di ba? So we created this, right? And I created this, and I have actually a questionnaire na merong 10 questions. And then meron akong equivalent score dito. Every time you change a score sa taas, it will actually give you a particular score per answer, no? And then out of 40 points, it would give you, are you an aggressive trader? Are you a conservative? Are you a moderate trader? No? And then sa taas, right? If your answer results into score of 1 to 10, your score is conservative, ang sagot ko sa iyo is hindi ka muna pwede sa crypto trading. No? Hindi ka muna pwedeng pumunta sa crypto trading, and you need to exit crypto trading first. Diba? So you need to grow your funds, right? And you need to do spot trading, right? And then that's gonna be the time if you get a moderate score, diba? So moderate score ka muna, and then that's gonna be when you could do spot trading, right? And if you get a score of 31 to 40, you will get you're getting an aggressive score. Then that's gonna be when you can do futures and DeFi staking. No, use this questionnaire to your full advantage. I'm gonna be saving this in our FB groups for your benefit, mga Miranda miners, and para magamit ninyo, no? And you could please answer this truthfully. Huwag niyong dayain because this is gonna be your personality test. If you are an aggressive trader, then go futures. But if you are a moderate or you are a conservative, hindi para sa iyo crypto trading. You need to build on your funds first. Okay? All right, let me do some other questions, no? All right. Arlene, maganda yung self-assessment tool. Yeah, it's really good, no? And not everyone has this assessment tool. I'm telling you. Some people are even selling this tool. I'm giving it to you for free. I'd like you guys to make sure that, I'd like to make sure that, you guys start earning, in this particular industry. But you need to assess yourself. But you need to assess yourself, no? And be able to understand if crypto is the right trading platform for you. Otherwise, kasi sobrang volatile ng crypto. Diba? Sobrang volatile ng cryptocurrency. Diba? Sabi ni Kenneth, oo nga pala, 60 subscribers na lang, 10K na tayo. Wow! Wow, wow! Alright. Keith John, Coach, sa question, mabilis lang na question to. Sa mga coins na may up and down, safe lang po bang i-trade kasi may konting leverage pero hindi ko makita? May liquidation ba o wala? Huwag muna kayo mag-trade ng up and down kasi available yan for spot, no? Huwag muna kayo mag-trade ng up and down at this point. Sobrang very volatile. Patrick, relax muna tayo ngayon. Ha ha ha. Alright. Okay. Magdidip pa daw ba ng isang beses si Bitcoin bago mag-pump up to the moon? Wow. May video po kayo kung paano gamitin yung mga indicators. Yes, we have a lot of indicators. We will see. We will see. If you guys are into my channel, we will see if you learn my indicators. Just go to my playlist, no? Go to my playlist and get to learn some of my intermediate indicators and my advanced indicators, right? Okay, guys, 1 minute before we close, I want to leave a note for all of you tonight, no? Sa mga matutulog na, I want to leave you guys a note, no? Sabi ng note na to, and actually I have this in one of my videos. Sa mga nakakita na ng videos ko, I have this in one of my first videos, no? Sabi dito, if you want to build a ship, don't drum up the men to gather wood. Divide the work and give orders, no? Instead, teach them to yearn for the vast and endless sea. So guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm actually not not giving you, I'm not dividing the work. I'm not giving you orders, right? What I would want you guys to see from our Q&As today, right? I'm just not giving you orders. Actually, I'm giving you instructions, diba? But I'm just not giving you full instructions. But what I'd like you to do as an audience on this Q&A, and yan, as you kind of go with your learning path sa ating learning system, is I want you guys to look at the vast sea of opportunities in cryptocurrency, right? By learning our system. So malaki yung sea. Cryptocurrency is a very big industry, and I need you to learn, and I hope you learn, ano yung mga types of coins, types of tokens that you could actually, get, no? And you need to understand that cryptocurrency has a lot of opportunities. And I hope by you attending this session and by you going to my lessons, that you are actually able to learn and use that to your advantage, right? And that's my goal for you. I just don't want you to gather the wood and divide the work and give instructions. I want you to, and I hope that by doing so and attending my learning sessions, you're actually able to yearn for the vast and endless opportunities of cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, with that said, maraming salamat. Countdown, less than 100. We're going to be up to 10,000 subscribers already. And, good luck to all of our Miranda miners. And, guys, thank you, everyone, and have a good rest of your evening. Coach Miranda loves all of you, and I love you. Good night. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.